We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand of skincare products, including cleansers, bar soap, cream, lotion, and moisturizers. How do you go about pronouncing it? I know many pronounce it as Cetaphil or Cetaphil, but the brand itself says it is to be pronounced as Cetaphil or Cetaphil, Cetaphil or Cetaphil. Did you get it? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Cetaphil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.